Waterfront-LOST LAKE Raised Ranch with open floor plan from kitchen, dining, and living room centering around fireplace and slider to deck. 2 good-sized bedrooms on the main floor and 1 is extra large with double closets and sitting area. The lower level features an additional bedroom, a family room with second fireplace, and a bath with a laundry area. Recent updates include a new faucet, water heater, and toilet. Septic just pumped. This home is located directly on Lost Lake. Owner owns to water's edge, and this is a gentle slope to the water's edge, making this lake lot very usable. This subdivision boasts an 88-acre lake, 2 beaches, 2 parks, rolling hills, and mature trees. Easy access to I-88 and I-39.